dot frame state. So using what? Driver dot switch to dot frame state will add the frames. A switch to is a overloaded method. It involves it is going to take integer, string, and variable as an argument. Okay. Last class, I have not given this exception. I have not told. I have not given any example. Okay. Now we'll see. Okay. When do we get no such frame exception? Okay. When do we get no such frame exception? Okay. We'll see that. Last class. Let me go to frames class. Okay, here, you know, first I want to type JSP first. Then I want to type USB. Okay, JSP in which? 1 second. I have just deleted. Let me restore it. 1 second. Give me a minute. I'll just restore it. Okay, fine. Okay, last class. Okay, we have created 2 web pages. In here, I have combined page 2. I inserted into page 1. First, I need to type what? JSP here. Then we want to type USB here. Okay. What is this line number 50? Anyone tell me what is this line number?
Driver dot switch to that frame will use for
Driver dot switch to that frame. What? We are switching first.
one frame to.
Okay, what is it? Zero. Zero means index of the frame. Here only one frame is there, so we have given 0. Index will starts from 0. I will give something called 1. Or I will give 3, 4. What? 3 means 4th frame. Okay, so we have 4 frames, no, only 1 frame, so it should throw exception. What exception it is going to throw? We'll see. What exception it is going to throw? We'll see that. Open the Chrome browser. Next step. No, it's not open. It is going to be. Okay, it's going to open now. Okay. Now it started opening. What exception it is throwing? See, is it typing JSP here? No, it is not typing anything. So it is throwing exception. What exception it is throwing is? It is throwing no such frame exception. Okay, please take that exception also. Please take it. Okay, exception. Okay, number, I don't know. Go to last page of the book. Exception is what? No such frame exception is a Selenium unchecked exception. We get this exception whenever we pass invalid argument for the frame method. If we pass invalid ID also it will throw. If we pass invalid index also it will throw. If we pass invalid element also it is not. Please take those. Please take those. Last page. Go to last page of your book. Okay, no frame exception. It's a Selenium unchecked. Okay, then we get this exception whenever we pass invalid argument to the frame. We get this exception whenever we pass invalid argument to the frame. Okay, we get this exception whenever we pass invalid argument to the frame. Okay, let me put this in the chat room also. Guys, if what is breaking, please let me. Don't put it in the chat room, but use speak. I can hear. Just speak it out. I can hear you. Okay. Next topic. Let us go to next speaker. Let us go to next topic. What is it called? Handling disabled elements on strong bar. Handling disabled elements on strong bar. Just put it called handling disabled elements on strong bar. What do you mean by that? We'll see that. Okay. Yes, yes, tell me. Tell me. That one assignment is there that Google in Chrome browser type Google. It is that is related to them. I got error while solving that. It's okay. It's okay. Leave that. Leave that. Please take. I will take care of. We'll see that. I will take care of. Don't worry. I'll take care of. Which one? What is the example? Like which example? Sir, automate the scenario is there. Open the Chrome browser and type Google and then press Control plus D and then click on the print button. Print pop, right? Print pop, right? Yeah, yes. Oh, we'll see that later on. We'll see that. Okay. I will take it on Monday. Okay. Else I will take it on Monday. Leave it. Leave it. Okay. We'll see that. Don't worry. Okay, put it in called handling disabled elements. What is the disabled elements? We'll see. You might see, okay, there's few application. Okay. Let me open one notepad. Okay, let me open one notepad. I will this username text box. Okay. Username text box is input. Type equals text. Okay, type equals text. ID equals D1. I will give it as D1. Okay. Same way, what I will do, I will create one more text box. One text box I have created. One is username, one more is password. Okay, ID of this is data. Here I will use one attribute called disabled. Okay, then I will use one more input. Okay, use BR. Okay, for next time. Here also BR. Next time. Here also not required. Here type equals ID equals D. If I save this as, okay, I will just save it as, okay, the desktop I will save it. Disabled dot html. See here, disabled. If I open it, I'll get two. Okay, I will get two text box, one button, one button. Let's give that again. L equals login. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, let me give one more beer. Okay, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay, see here, one username text box is there, password text box is there, login button is there. Enter the username. I want to enter admin. I want to type manager, but not able to type. I'm not able to type manager in this password. What is the solution? We'll see that. Okay, what is the solution? We'll see. Okay, enter the username. You would have been seeing this kind of things. Once you enter, for example, in real time, okay, everything will be disabled. Once you enter the username, password will be enabled. Password text box will be enabled. Once you enter password, login button will be enabled. Without that, these two things will not be enabled. That is how they have created. Now, because of some reason, I want to enter, I want to type, or I want to perform functional testing for password text box without entering username or anything. Or after entering, I want to perform functional testing for this disabled text box. How will you do this? We'll see. Okay. Are you guys getting what I'm trying to say? Here, this text box, password text box is disabled. Okay, it's a disabled element. Means you cannot type it manually, also it is not possible. Why they will do it, sir, in real time? They will do it in real time without entering the username. It will not allow you to enter the password. Without entering these two, it will not allow you to click on login button like that. How to handle it? Man, it's not possible to type now. Here, it's not able to type. Assume that I am not typing the username because of some reason. I want to check password box. I want to do performance. Functionality testing on password text box by entering the special character, by entering the number, by entering the username, by checking the length of the what the maximum length it is going to take. Like that, I want to perform some functional testing on this password text box. How to do it? How to do it? Manually, how to do it is if you want to do anything, that use the language called JavaScript. Okay, where I can use Java flag. Let me right click inspect. Do right click inspect. Click on console. Here you type, okay? You type whatever you want. For example, I told you how to create alert, right? Create alert. Alert. It will create one pop-up called alert pop-up. See, alert pop-up is created. Okay, now in this only we do have what is the ID of this password? I'm not sure. 1 second. Yeah, tell me what is that? Who is that? Okay, no one. Let me see. Of this password box is what? How to type T2? For this, you should know JavaScripting language. Okay, I know that. Okay, I know it's difficult to learn Java only. Then sir, how to learn JavaScript language? Okay, I will give you 2 lines. Mark it up. Only 2 lines. I want you to mark it. It is very difficult to learn. Okay, in the short term, okay, it is very difficult to learn JavaScripting language. So I will just give you 2 lines. Just one. We have driver now here. Document is there. Document dot element by ID. What is ID? What is ID? ID is T2. I will give T2. Dot. You can give value equals. Okay, you can give value equals something manager. See, this typing manager. Are you guys getting? This is what? This is the statement I want you to mark it up. Try to. Okay, what is this? JavaScripting language. This is not Java language, this is scripting language. Okay, whenever you want to type anything, you have to use what? Value equals. I want to delete that. So I will use, okay, I will use value equals. I'll give value equals empty space. See, That is deleted. If you give value equals empty means it will delete. If it is anything is there. If anything is there, it will delete it. Okay, if nothing, okay, if nothing is there, if you give manager, it will type manager. Okay. This is called as Java scripting language. Like how we use in driver.no, here we use document dot get element by ID. It is always ID? No. You can use element by name class also. Are you guys getting?
One more time, please. Can you explain?
Yes. I'll explain this. Okay. For example, I type here. I want to type this manager or anything I want to type. Okay. For that, it is a disabled element. Okay, you cannot type it manually. You cannot type. See, I'm trying to click it. I'm not able to because this password text box is disabled. Even I cannot click. If it is button is disabled, you cannot click. In this case, it is not disabled. Okay. If it is disabled, you cannot click the button also. Now I want to type manager or I want to check different testing. I want to do functional testing without entering the username because of some reason. So in Java, there is no option. In Java, we cannot handle the disabled elements on this. Only option is you have to use Java scripting. Okay. How to use, sir? How to use? Okay. Use. Okay. It is difficult. It is. Yeah. It will take more time to learn Java scripting language. I will give 2 lines. Just remember. Try to remember the 2 lines. Okay. Document dot get element. Get element by ID. Okay. Get element by ID. What is ID? I know that ID is T2. Then dot. If you want to type, okay, you can use value. We use send keys. Now here they will use value. I want to type manager. If you want to give any
చెప్పరా క్లాస్ ఉందిరా క్లాస్ ఇది ఆన్లైన్
sir, where to use this? Oh, here, this one is what one line of Java scripting language. But where can I use Java scripting language in Selenium? Manually. This is what we have done is manual. Typing what Java scripting language putting it in console, but where I should use this? There is an interface. Okay, there is an interface called JavaScript executor. One second. Okay. In that, there is a method called execute. Okay. Execute script is the method whenever you want to use any JavaScripting language with the help of this I can use. Okay, whatever JavaScript language you want to execute, put it as an argument for this. Okay, for execute script method. It will execute this first language. Okay, it is present in JavaScript interface. Okay, it is present in where JavaScript interface. Same thing. Execute script is a method which is present like this. present in JavaScript executor interface. We obviously want to do this web not be having access to executors. For that, you should type subject or you should downcache the object. What do you mean by that, sir? I'm not getting. We'll see that. It's at least getting how to handle manually, at least by using this statement. How to use it in Selenium? Now we'll see that. How to use it in Selenium? We'll see that. Okay. I want to type manager. Let me create a class. Okay. Let me create a class for disabled elements. Or adding disabled elements. Anything is disabled elements. Click on finish. Let me use one static block. I have copied this static block. Okay, from this program and paste it. A static block contains system.set property. What we are doing, upcasting of driver object to the WebDriver interface. See here, if I use driver dot get driver dot, I will get the list of methods present in WebDriver. If I put driver dot, I will get the list of methods which is present in WebDriver. See, these are all the methods present in WebDriver. Close, find elements, get event URL, get page source, get title, get window handle. But I'm not getting that. The methods of what? That executes and type ex execute. See, not coming. Okay, you play architecture of Selenium. You know the architecture of Selenium? This is the architecture of what? Selenium or JavaScript, Java language binding. Okay. Here we have upcasted this Chrome driver to WebDriver. Now this method is hidden. This execute script method is hidden. In order to access that, you should downcache the object to remote. Then you can use this. Else you have to type cache the object to the JavaScript execute. Open the browser. Let me enter the URL. I will tell you what is the URL. I will repeat this. Don't worry. What is the URL? This is the URL. Control C. Open the browser. Enter the URL. Done. Next step is what I should type. I want to type here manager. Let me copy this. Where I should put this. Okay. See here, I'm not having access. Driver dot executes. It is not coming. So what I should do, I should take downcache. So anything you can do. The remote WebDriver R equals driver. Place your cursor on there. Add cache to remote WebDriver. See, it will convert. Now if I use R dot, I will get that. See, good script. Here I will pass that.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Is my voice is breaking? One second. And your screen is also stuck. My voice is breaking. Others.
Screen also stuck, sir. Sir.
There is lag in your screen. Change the code. 1 second. I don't know how one is connected. Am I audible, guys? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, are you able to see the screen? Let me repeat once. Yes, sir. Sorry. Am I audible, guys, clearly?
Yes, sir, now clearly audible.
Yes, sir. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Give me a minute. We'll see that. Okay. Let me repeat once again. Okay. I will open the browser. Okay. Open the browser. I have used one static block. In that, I am using what inside that system.set property. Okay. It is having what key and value. And then I'm opening the browser. Line number 11. We're opening the browser. Line number 12. Entering the equal. Now, if I use, I want that method. Why I want that method? This method execute script is a method where if you can use Java scripting language, it is going to take Java scripting language statement as an argument. Okay, then it will execute. Okay, for that, see here, if I put a driver dot, I will not get the method because that method is hidden. Okay, that method is present in which interface? It is present in JavaScript interface. Okay, there are two options. Either you can typecast it like this here, how I have typecast it, or you can downcast it. How to downcast it? Let me show you both. Okay, I will use the remote web driver. Driver is a remote web driver R equals driver. Okay, R equals driver. Now if I use R dot executes, okay, here I will pass it as an argument. Okay, are you guys getting? We'll see that. I will repeat this. Don't worry. I will repeat this. Don't worry. Is it typing manager now? Is it typing manager? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I will repeat this.
Yes, sir.
I will repeat this once again. Okay. See here. In Java, now what is the problem we are facing is in Java there is no solution to handle disabled elements. Disabled elements means what? It is present, you can see, but you cannot do anything. You cannot perform any action. I cannot do typing or anything. Okay. Then what is the solution? By using Java scripting language, we can handle this. Only in case of Java scripting language, the solution is manually. It is no solution. Manually, also you have to use Java scripting language. How to use manually by using JavaScript language? Right clicking, spread. Okay. Click on this console tab. There is a tab called console. Here you type whatever you want. If I type like this, okay, document.get element by id dot value. It will type manager. If I give empty, it will delete. See, it is deleted. If I give manager, it will type manager. This is how manually we do it. Automation. This is Java scripting language, but we are using Java language. Solution is what? There is a method. Whenever you want to use Java scripting language, okay, in Selenium, whenever you want to use Java scripting language,
use
in Java Selenium, okay, then you have to use a method
remote
called
one.
execute. It is called as now. What is is going to take string as an argument. But what is that string is? It should be a Java scripting language or statement. Okay, then okay. But how to call this? Okay, how to call this method? We are already upcasted Chrome driver is equal to web driver is equal to Chrome driver. We already upcasted Chrome driver is upcasted to web driver, so that method is hidden. Then how to access that method? Two ways. Either typecast or down. This is the original example for downcast. Okay. In Java, they will tell you we can downcast only the object which is already upcasted. This is the meaning. Are you guys getting what is the meaning of downcast? Yes or no? Yes or no? What? Okay. Okay. Even in Java, they will use one term called can only downcast the object which is already upcasted. Is it already upcasted? Driver is already upcasted here? Yes. In line number 12, what we are doing? Upcasting. What we are upcasting? Chrome driver object we are upcasting to web driver interface. Now, is it possible to downcast? Yes. You can downcast to remote web driver or you can downcast to Chrome driver also. Okay. So you can give this example as a what? Downcasting. Either you can use like this or you can also use instead of downcasting. Normally in real time we'll go for typecasting. JavaScript executor J equals driver. Place your cursor on the error. Add catch to directly. It will only automatically come. Here you change execute script. See, if I execute this, it will type okay manager in the password text box. It will type manager in the password text box. It will type what password in the manager text box. It will type manager in the password text box. Okay. Are you guys getting? Only thing is, I want you guys to remember this. Java. This is JavaScript language. Okay, this one I want you to remember.
Okay, sir.
Okay, how can we remember? Like how we are using driver.find element. Say
Document find element.
driver.find element dot say driver dot this get element by id is like a find element. Okay, get element by id is like a find element by id. Then
Dot value. Okay. Same case.
Take of this course. If you have any doubts, still I will explain it one more time. Take of this. Execute script method is declared in JavaScript executor interface. It is implemented in remote web driver class. Since we already upcasted browser specific class to the web driver interface, this execute script method, this method will be hidden. In order to access this method, we should downcache. Okay, we should downcache it, or we should typecache the object to JavaScript. Okay, take notes. Heading called handling disabled elements as well. One second. Take on this diagram on this one. Let me put in the chat room also. Take notes. This, if you have any doubts, I'll repeat it once again. No, Again, why we are
Upcasting.
using downcasting or typecasting? Right now, we're calling subcasting. Why we are doing upcasting? The reason why we are upcasting Chrome driver to WebDriver tomorrow, if I want to work with different browsers, so that okay, if I want to execute the same code with different browsers, so that's the reason we are upcasting. Again, why we are downcasting or why we are typecasting? This method is hidden. Okay, this execute script method is hidden. It is present in JavaScript executor. There is no connection between WebDriver and JavaScript. That's the reason what we are either in order to access that method, either you should downcast the object or typecast the object. So which is the best practice? Typecast. It is more secure. Okay, more secure. Like for an example, you are working for one company. You are working in third floor. Developers are sitting in second floor. You need to attend one interview with the developers. So for that second floor, you don't have access. Okay, so you raise the request to the admin, telling that I need access for second floor to attend the meeting with the developer. For him, there is two options. Either he can give access for entire building, or he can give access for only second. Which one is better? Which one is better? Tell me, which one is better? Giving access to entire building or giving access to only second? Only second. Why only second? Because for security purpose. Yes, because of more security. See here, for example, here if I type J dot, I will get that execute script or execute async script method only. Once let me read it is showing object methods also. Okay. See here, if I type J dot, only two methods are there. Okay, two methods. Are you guys getting? Means giving access to the only second code like that. Let me downcast it. How to downcast it? So I am downcasting the object. If I put R dot, I will not only I'm getting the method of execute script and execute async script, I will also get lot of methods. See, lots of method I'm getting. Find by element, find by class, find by element by class, and something else. Find by element by IDs. This method we never heard. There are many methods. See here. Get keyboard, something are all coming. Get error handle, get command execute, something and all is. Are you guys getting? Okay. Are you guys getting the difference between downcasting and typecasting? Okay, which is the best practice? Typecasting. More secure because of security. Okay. Assume that there are 4 floors in our building. Now he has given access to the okay, that is enough. Okay, I will tell you when it comes for screenshot. Okay. And just typecast. Check this object. Answer. Give me a second. JavaScript executor J equals driver. Okay, then here I will put J dot. Okay, Now, what I want is, now you know what is the me, okay, how to do it, okay. I want to type username, password, and click on login button. Now you tell me, I will just automate. How to type the username, you tell me. Right click, inspect. Done. Inspecting is done. What is that? This is see, it is getting highlighted. This is HTML code. What shall I code? Shall I use ID?
Your voice is breaking too much.
Friends variable of JavaScript executor. Java
ఓ ఇంట్రెస్టే పోయింది ఈరోజు.
voice is breaking.